Look what I just got here.
Alright, what's up YouTube? Yo boy Crypto Tone coming at ya with another video. So, looks like Jason has seen the light. Has he seen the light? Is the bear market over? So Misha tweeted out earlier, Bitcoin has already hit bottom and the bear market is over in an interview for Chinese crypto outlet Huxing24. Mr. Justin Sun came out and said, so he's calling the bottom, guys, and that's pretty serious right there. We're starting to hear a lot of people call the bottom now, so kind of makes you think, you know, is it too late? Is it too late? I don't know. But before I get into the article, I looked at the article that Misha had retweeted from. Now there's another article that's actually a little bit better that we're gonna read into, but I scrolled down on this article and it also had Goldman Sachs in it, and basically says Goldman Sachs touts crypto. So how big is this, guys? In a new video, Goldman Sachs flashes a slide highlighting cryptocurrency as one of the catalysts that can transform the future of banking, guys. So they're throwing out commercials now with crypto in it, guys. This is what we've been talking about. A couple of you guys have been asking me, hey Tone, why are there no commercials on crypto yet? Why is no one in the masses really talking about it? Well, guys, get ready, because now you got the big wigs starting to throw out commercials. There was a commercial that I found from the other day that someone showed me on Twitter. Basically, the Colorado Lottery came out with a commercial that mentioned Bitcoin, which was pretty cool. So I want to watch a quick clip of this, and then we're going to get into the article from Jason.
Years ago, the consumer would go to their local bank branch and they'd want a bundled set of financial products. That local bank branch manager would give them their credit card, their personal loan, their student loan, their mortgage. What you're seeing today is that new financial technology companies are using differentiated products to acquire scale really efficiently and much faster.
Right there, guys. So they didn't mention crypto like right in front of your face, but they showed it to you as opposed to like actually saying it. They showed it to us right there in that slide, which is pretty cool. They understand that the world is moving in a very fast way, and it's going in a direction where technology is going to take out everything for the most part. And that's why I think crypto is going to be huge. And I don't know how anybody else could think crypto is not going to be huge based on all the things that we're seeing now. So pretty cool that Goldman Sachs is coming out and starting to get people prepared This is the way that I think they're gonna do it. They're you know, the governments of the world, they want to prepare people as opposed to just get people interested because there was a bull run or whatnot. They want to really prepare people, bring them down to the bottom here where we're at, get people involved now, set up, you know, everything's ready with Coinbase, Binance, all these other apps that are ready. This is gonna start sucking up a lot of money. They know that it's gonna happen, and with that being said, it's just a matter of time at this point. So, you know, it's like anything. It's a gradual thing. It's not something that should happen overnight. It's something that should happen over time. But the way that technology is moving these days is so damn fast that they had to basically create, you know, CME futures to bring Bitcoin down, because it was going to continue to go back up most likely if they didn't short the hell out of it. You know, it's being put down on purpose because they know that this thing is gonna blast through the roof, and it's gonna take all these other crypto things with it. It's just my opinion. So let's get into what Mr. Justin Sun over here has to say. So bear market is over. Justin Sun and CZ answered questions of Chinese media recently, and there were some interesting insights regarding the opinions of the TRON founder and the possibility of a retracement from the bearish trend in crypto prices. Some was quoted by Chinese news website Hongxing24 in the following way when asked about the chance of a market breakthrough. It should be noted that the text has been automatically translated to English from Chinese with minimal modifications to correct spelling. I think it is already the bottom and the bear market is over. From now on, for 3 to 5 years, it is now an absolute low. For this year, I think Bitcoin will fluctuate between 3 to 5,000. The opportunities for market breakthroughs this year include the explosion of the DApp ecosystem, the large-scale application of the Lightning Network, and the 3 opportunities for BitTorrent's 100 million users to enter the cryptocurrency market. When asked the same question, CZ was a bit more cautious in his reply, avoiding to mention prices directly. I can't make any price forecast. If I make a price forecast, the consequence can be imagined that is 49% of the cases are wrong because I am always optimistic. Our goals are generally set even further, 5, 10 to 100 years out. In the long run, the development of blockchain technology will certainly be faster and faster. Digital currency will not disappear, but will spread to everyone. Therefore, I am optimistic. So again, like I said, guys, it's only a matter of time before your grandma's calling you. Hey, wait, what's this Bitcoin thing I heard about TRON? And I was playing TRON bet with your grandfather, and it was the greatest thing since sliced bread. You're going to hear that. Watch. Your grandma's going to call you and tell you that, and you're going to be like, what the hell just happened? So that might be a sign to sell. But hey, it's going to happen. Another interesting part of the interview versed about the test launch of JPM coin in what has been wrongly dubbed as the first bank crypto. Both Sun and CZ were rather positive about the implementation. JPM coin has made a positive contribution to the entire blockchain industry, hoping it will drive Wall Street to popularize the entire blockchain application, said the CEO of Binance. TRON founder went as far as dubbing it as a landmark for financial institutions. JP Morgan Chase is a landmark event for mainstream financial institutions to enter the blockchain. I personally think that the top financial institutions such as Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, and Morgan Stanley will start to enter the blockchain industry. Different from the previous financial institutions to invest in the industry, this time is a real launch, which is a great significance for the large-scale applications of blockchain. So we already know that they're Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, these guys are already involved. They know what's going on. You know, they're not stupid. They all know that technology, if you work at the bank, or you've worked at a bank, or you've went to a bank recently, you keep seeing enhancements in technology. You don't see any enhancements at the bank, really. I mean, you go to the bank, right? You fill out your deposit slip, you give it to the teller, you give her your check or whatever. You had to waste your gas to get there. You had to do all this stuff. You had to waste your time, right? You got the phone now. Your phone is a bank now. There's no need to go to the bank anymore. That's the point of technology. Technology is slowly taking out the bank. If they had statistics on cash being withdrawn from the bank, I'm sure it's a lot lower than it used to be. 100%, because people don't use it anymore as frequently. But that's over the course of years. So you figure by, let's say, I don't know, 2050, everybody's going to be using cryptocurrencies, because it's going to suck up all this fiat currency that has no cap on it. They could just continue to create it, and that's just going to create more inflation over time, and that can't be sustainable. So every fiat currency in the history of fiat currencies have gone down. This is the way that the governments are going to get us to the masses to use cryptocurrencies. Again, my opinion. This is why I don't think some random jerk off Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin. This was a whole big ruse to get people involved in it, because they know the technology. The governments have the technology. They have technologies that we don't even know about. Okay, come on, guys. They know what's going on. They're not going to allow the masses to be on top of them. They're pretty much, they run everything. They got everything. When they want to release something, they're going to release it. They're going to get people hyped up, invested. Some people are going to get rich in these things, and other people's are going to get burned. But that's just the way that it is. Okay, that's just the way that it is. They know that they have the ability to get this out to the masses now. They have the ability to roll out cryptocurrencies to the masses, because they have it in the smartphones. It's all in the technology. It's all going to be really easy to use. You have crypto debit cards coming out. They already got approvals in America, which is big. We should have the Monaco card in the next couple of months, which I'm excited about. And that's pretty much it. So that's just my thoughts on crypto in general. I think it's going to be this is going to wipe out all the cash, all the dirty cash that people got under their pillows and stuff like that. 20 years down the line from today, it's not even going to be around anymore. People are going to be like, what? Cash? What the hell you use that for? There's no need for it. And in this video, the guy mentions something about China. I think it was, let me see, I think it was like somewhere around here.
Latin America. In China, it's probably the best example. Yeah. Most consumers in China go to technology companies for all their financial needs. You've seen Alipay and Tenpay and some of these mobile payment platforms send all sorts of financial products.
So that's it, guys. I'm going to link above my China TRON video that I did like 6 or 7 months ago. It's a really good video. If you guys aren't familiar with what China has going on, you'd be blown away. You really would be blown away with what they have going on with the mobile phones and how fast they can move. And you bet your ass that other governments of, first world countries, for the most part, the Western world, is not going to allow this type of competition anymore. China is just wrecking the game, making so much money with, the phones, and people are moving so much faster. People don't need to leave their houses anymore for the most part. That's how it's gonna be. They don't want people on the roads anymore. Why are you gonna have to go on the road? You could just have somebody ship it to you, and you guys could live that way. It's gonna be a lot easier down the line with crypto, 100%. So check out my China video. Let me know what you think. Again, it's an old video, but ties into Tron, and it talks about, how crazy it is to live in China. With that being said, like, subscribe, turn on post notification. Holla at your boy. Peace.